Hey, and welcome to the show. I'm the Crypto Kid, and in these videos we take a look at Bitcoin and everything else in the blockchain and Bitcoin realm, including what's going on in the news with cryptocurrencies. Now, if you haven't been to the show before, please hit that subscribe button and follow along because we do make daily videos. And in today's episode, we are doing something a little different, and we're going to specify exactly how you can pick up some Bitcoin. So if you're Canadian, if you're living in North America, this might apply to you more so, but anybody else that's watching this will apply to you. Let's check out Bitcoin first to see what's going on. Now look at this. Bitcoin is just hitting new highs, new record highs all time. 7,598 USD. Now it's impressive. It's another reason why if you're not holding Bitcoin, you might want to pick some up because this is a great investment. Now just quickly we'll take a look to see what's going on in the cryptocurrency world. As you can see here, a little bit of red across the board. As Bitcoin reaches these new heights, it's no surprise that people are going to be wanting to jump on board, take advantage of this great investment known as Bitcoin. So how can you pick up Bitcoin? Well, if you've watched the show before, you'll know I talk about different exchanges, specifically Quadriga CX. Now, Quadriga is Canadians' only verified or authorized exchange, allowing you to pick up different types of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as Bitcoin Cash. Now, one thing that's great about Quadriga CX is that they actually offer access to the forked coins very quickly. So with Bitcoin Cash, I received mine very quickly. Bitcoin Gold is already in my wallet, yet I don't have access because they just don't have the platform to do so yet. But as soon as that comes available, they'll be giving you the option. So another bonus with Quadriga CX is the ability to fund your account with both Canadian dollars and USD. Look at this, you can fund it pretty easily. Here's Canadian dollars. We've got Interact, electronic fund transfer, Bankwire, Crypto Capital, USD. You've got Bankwire Crypto, and you can also fund with Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, as well as Ethereum and Litecoin. Now, there's not many other options out there as a Canadian where you can drop or hook up directly from your bank account. Otherwise you'll be working with something like Coinbase, where if you're an American, you can withdraw and deposit right from your account. But Canadians don't have that option yet. So if you're looking to fund with Coinbase as a Canadian, you're looking to pay with your credit card, which is also associated with some pretty high fees as well as limits on how much you can fund. Currently, I believe it's about 1,000 per week, and that's not great when you're looking to make some big investments. Another option similar to Coinbase is CoinSquare. Now, for Canadians, they offer a wide range of funding options for Canadian users, which is a great option if you're looking to invest more than just a few dollars here and there. So what Coinbase or CoinSquare, I should say, allows you to do is deposit right from your account. Now, it does take a few days to verify, so if you're interested, check out the links in my description box below there for all of these accounts, and you'll get you started there. Another option similar to Quadriga, although they're not a Canadian exchange, is Kraken. Now, they allow you to send funds right from your account. So if you want to do a bank wire, you can send upwards to, I think, around just under $40,000, somewhere around $35,000 per month or something like that. So it allows you to submit quite a bit of money, get yourself into the scene. And then they also offer, of course, trading and withdrawals in Canadian funds, as well as a wide range of different altcoins. So speaking of altcoins, um, if you wanted to get into something like Bittrex or hit BTC, these are great exchanges, but what you can do with this is you wouldn't want to, you can't actually purchase the Bitcoin from these sites. What you can do is send Bitcoin. So once you have Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, for example, Ethereum, you can send Ethereum right to your Bittrex wallet and then exchange it for Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies right on their exchange. But the trick is actually getting the cryptocurrency, and that's why it's essential to team up with someone like Quadriga so that you can send money right from your bank account and surpass and get rid of all these fees and extra interest hits that you might get hit with. Now, again, there is going to be some fees associated with that depending on what you choose. For example, Bankwire is going to be free. There might be at the desk in your bank, you might get hit with a small fee, but generally they can waive this if you're polite and you let them know that is your only option. And if it's your bank, usually they'll work with you to waive that fee. And again, this is based on convenience. So, you know, 5 days, you know, you're waiting a bit longer, so it's going to be free. But if you're looking for that instant transfer, that's where you're going to be getting hit with a bit of a fee here. It just depends on the choices that are available to you. So just another option here, local Bitcoins. You can actually buy local Bitcoins from this site. If you're Canadian, this is something to check out. If you're in a bind and you just really want to get in there and you don't have any other options, check local Bitcoins out. How it works is you're actually working with individuals. So they kind of house the site here, and they allow verified users to come in and sell their Bitcoin. And you will have to verify with each user to keep it legal. So you'll be wanting to send in some information. And if you're not crazy about that, you know, you might want to reconsider how you go about buying your Bitcoin, because you're going to be sending some pretty sensitive information to these individuals just so that they can complete a legal transfer through the depending on where they're located in the world. But I have used it, and it is I can verify it. You know, I did get my Bitcoin, and it was something to look into. Similarly, we've got Lake BTC. Now, they differ in the sense that you can actually hook up with bank wires, Interact, Cash, PayPal, and other options here. The one thing I will mention is that they have a 1 month hold on your account in terms of withdrawing. So if you want to withdraw, you'll have to wait a month. So that's something to consider. Whereas you can get verified quite quickly and they'll take your money. But, you know, 1 month is a long time in the world of cryptocurrency. CEX.io is another option. Similar to Coinbase, they allow you to have an application on your phone, and you can pick up to about $300 USD in Bitcoin a day. I think they max out at about $1,000 a month if you're looking to use your credit card. So there's another option here. Unique to CEX, they offer Dash as well as Zcash. So you can pick up Bitcoin, I believe Ethereum, and Dash and Zcoin, which is quite convenient as well, because you don't see too many options available to users to buy directly from your credit card, things like that. So I mentioned Bittrex is another great option, as well as HBTC. But if you're not looking to use Bitcoin, I wanted to kind of end this on Ether Delta, because they offer a pretty unique option in their exchange, which is allowing you to trade solely with Ether. So they offer a ton of different altcoins and cryptocurrencies, but rather than having trade them with BTC, like say Bittrex might permit you to do, Ether Delta allows you to trade these cryptocurrencies directly with Ether, which is really neat. And not only that, but they have a lot of new cryptocurrencies and tokens that hit the market right after an ICO. They'll allow you to do that, where Bittrex, if they even list them, they're pretty slow to get them listed. There's a lot of different cryptocurrencies I'm waiting to get listed on Bittrex so I can trade them. They might not ever get there. So that's why I recommend places like HitBTC, which gets them on pretty quick as well, and offers a wide range of options for trading, as well as Ether Delta. So those are some trading options. Now, keep in mind that depending on whatever exchange you do go with, you're going to want to make sure that you really keep it safe. So don't store too much Bitcoin on any exchange. Make sure that you do write your password down, and if you can, make sure that you also encrypt your password with maybe a Google protection app or similar, just so you can make sure that you're protected and that you don't lose your Bitcoin. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because it is tricky to get into the Bitcoin scene if you don't know how to pick up Bitcoin, especially as a Canadian. And more so if you're looking to pick up a large amount. So I'll leave the links in the description box. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.